In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Trello for daily tasks, a simple yet effective way to manage your day-to-day activities. Trello is a fantastic tool for organizing your life both personally and professionally by keeping track of your tasks in an intuitive, visual way. So let's dive in and get started. First off, head over to Trello.com to access the platform. Once you're there, you'll want to navigate to the boards section of the site. This is where you'll create your very own Trello board to manage your daily tasks. Simply click on Create a new board to begin. You might want to give your board a title that resonates with what you plan to achieve, such as Daily Tasks, My Day, or To Do Today. This will help set the tone and keep your focus aligned throughout the day. Next, we'll set up a simple layout on your board to efficiently track your day. We'll do this by creating 3 lists, which are columns within your board. Label these lists as follows: To Do Today, In Progress, and Done. This straightforward format allows you to visually track the progress of your tasks from start to finish. Now, under the To Do Today list, it's time to add cards for each of your tasks. Cards are like sticky notes that represent tasks. For instance, you might create cards labeled by groceries, reply to emails, 30-min walk, or write blog post. This individualized approach helps clarify what needs attention and gets everything out of your head and onto the board. Clicking on any card lets you dive deeper into the task. You have a variety of options here. Begin by adding a checklist if your task involves several smaller subtasks. For instance, a task like buy groceries might have a checklist including bread, milk, and vegetables. This method ensures you don't miss any components of your task. Moreover, setting a due date and time for each card helps keep you on track and emphasizes priority. This feature is particularly useful in maintaining a disciplined schedule. Pair this with labels like urgent, personal, or work for an efficient way to categorize tasks based on their nature. To track your progress with ease, use the drag and drop feature. Move your cards from To Do Today over to In Progress and finally to Done as you complete each stage. This visual movement offers a satisfying sense of accomplishment as tasks are completed. If you're keen on having a visual summary of your tasks, consider using the calendar view. Navigate to the top menu and explore power-ups. Add the calendar power-up, turning your tasks into calendar entries. This view is exceptional for planning ahead, giving you a clear perspective on your week ahead. Remember, Trello is an adaptable tool that you can tailor to suit your specific needs. Its power lies in its simplicity and flexibility, making it an invaluable aid for productive daily planning. Enjoy organizing your day with Trello.